Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be looking at different techniques on how to vamp in African praise or Nigerian local praise, Soukous, the Makosa, the Ari and the rest. But we'll be dealing with the Soukous particularly for now, a faster one. So before we get right into the video, please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please, I encourage you to do so, and also turn on your notification button for amazing tutorials I'll be coming in. So let's get right into the video. We'll be dealing with two keys. We'll be doing it on C and on F sharp. So C we have the idea of vamping is as a piano player in this in the kind of genre of music we'll be talking about now is to keep the music together. You understand? To give a music a pattern of vibe, a danceable kind of pattern. You understand? So you cannot be playing your praise like Jehovah, Jehovah. You understand? You definitely have to give it the vibe. Yeah. So if vamping basically is not even about your whole idea of scale and everything. It doesn't have anything to do with that. All you need to understand is there are patterns to particular kind of music, and in order to give it a danceable vibe, a danceable presentation, you definitely know that, and you know that the vamping is necessary. And also for you to keep your music locked in, you understand? The bass player is giving the vibe, the drummer is already on groove and on point with the loop and everything. And you have to your idea of vamping is putting the music together. You understand? So let's get right into the video, into the lesson rather. So on the key of C, we'll be doing the lesson on this progression. Do so fa, so do so fa, do, yeah. So understand one thing about the whole vamp idea or technique is you need to understand the inversions, and inversions like this is C, E, G, which is do. You know that this is also E, G, C, another inversion of C. Do. This is G, C, E. Same do, but in different pitch and tone. You understand? So helping you to understanding this inversion helps you to know where to keep your melody while vamping. You can keep your melody here. You can keep your melody here. You understand? Different inversions. So what we'll be doing today, the technique I mostly use while playing praise is this most of the times, and this is do as it is, but on my left hand I go in with this instead of extending it, and I do the extension on my right hand, play my do as this, same do but adding E here, then saw, same saw but adding D here, then same fa, then adding C here. So you have, and sometimes I can use the source too, I have my do like this, then I have my saw, I have my fa. You understand? So you have so let me demonstrate, or let me teach how you can do this vamp. It's I would advise, it's not something you just wake up one night and, and want to start playing. You have to keep exercising, so your hands will get used to that pattern. So we have, so your it's more like it's percussive. That's the idea. It's percussive. It has to have a kind of a drum vibe. So I have this. That's where the pattern of this thing came from. So I have, so your right hand is playing. I really love you, Lord. Yeah. So say that I love you. I really love you, Lord. So your left hand is playing. Say that I love you. I really love you, Lord. Sometimes I stack my chords like this. You understand? Then, but sometimes I can just play. You understand? So I can, sometimes I can do it. I just did it now. I can do. You get 1, 2. One, two, three. Oh, yeah. And okay, my reason for stacking chords like this, it's still the same thing. This is far. You get, this is just like an add 9. You understand? So this is do so far. My reason for stacking chords like this is, regardless of the fact that I'm vamping, I still want to achieve this level of fatness. So I can. Well, let me slow it down. You guys, 1 or 2, 1. Dun, dun. You understand? So so in fact, one thing I do, I also do some kind of slurrings. So this is another, I'm taking another shape instead of this now. I'm taking this now. So that's why I'm playing this as so and fa and so. So so I hope we understand this pattern. You can want to change it to your style. I'm just giving you a breakdown of how you can start up. If you don't understand, if you don't know how to vamp, you can start this gradually. You can change your pattern. was I doing here? Do, re, do, so. So let me slow this down. I like I said, the progression is do, so far. So I don't need to be calling out the progression. All you need to understand is the vamp pattern. So let me play slowly. So I'm doing this slow. Sometimes you can create your vamp style with melodies. You understand? So so same thing with okay, let's take the same pattern to F sharp now. So you have F sharp, sorry. We know the pattern. So you have so you understand, I'm taking this shape now. I can take another shape like what I was playing earlier. I was doing a slow like what was I doing? So but my saw was I was doing this like still fat chords, but I am still maintaining my vamp. So like I said, the idea about the vamp is understanding inversions. You understand? Understanding inversions. So you can create different. I just created this down. So you can create different vamp patterns. But let's go with the first exercise that we did. Let's come back to C. Then we'll go back to F sharp. So on C we did. You can mess around with the inversions. I just did that now. So I did here. I moved down here, moved down here, moved down here, brought it back. So but understand that your progression has to be there. So you have so let me slow it down again. So bound to F sharp, same thing. I'm taking it to another inversion now, so you can do it in different inversions. So thank you all for watching. I hope this video has actually helped, and I want to encourage that you keep practicing. Don't stop, continue. Make sure you do it at least every day, and make sure you get used to the patterns till you start creating your pattern of vamp. So thank you all. God bless you.